Damn it.
I love this game.
Damn it.
Oh, so we'll have a little bit of vino in the coffee cup.
She's had no water today.
Yeah, I really should be hydrating.
We have a 50-mile day tomorrow.
I haven't told people that.
Oh, shit.
No, it's...
we might
yeah.
not. We might not.
We're gonna do a 50-mile day tomorrow, people. Kind of. Just gotta finish this beer and wine first. Keep drying out. Oh yeah, I should. Everything's drying out around us. We have all sorts of clotheslines happening.
Dryer's full.
Shoes, dryers
Laundry's
full. And back to trail later on. Have you gone? You get to go first. So we're at Timberline Lodge, which is where they filmed The Shining. We were supposed to watch that, but Netflix doesn't have it. And it's like 10:30. Actually,
library.
Where's Cara? Come here.
I feel like I'm always just like casually waving behind you. It's me again.
Lionel's over there. Hey, Jobus, back out here. Good man. I'll have to show you Timberline tomorrow because scary movies, whatnot.
You can hold the axe from The Shining.
They have a replica axe. Today we fixed a phone. We dried out all our sleeping bags. Admin. It's so fluffy.
So fluffy.
It's so fluffy.
I could sleep in that all night.
But we're pretty stoked we don't have to be outside because it's nearly snowing. And there are rumours / weather reports of a snowstorm coming in a couple of days.
Mm-hmm.
So having talks about what that might mean and what is the safest option for us.
Yeah. Snow and hiking is not fun when you don't have to get to Canada. I mean, it's not fun then either. But it's a necessity.
Yeah. So we're going to have to keep an eye on the weather. We're doing a 50-mile tomorrow. So we've got like an epic breakfast buffet, which Timberline Lodge has just given us for free, all three of us, because sauna's closed. And I was like, excuse me, we were promised a sauna. Can we have a discount on breakfast?
Wizard made us stink, so we got it for free.
I was very polite. I asked really nicely. And they said, you know what? You can have it for free. All three of you. So
Timberline Lodge's guest services are incredibly kind to hikers.
yeah, shout out to Leah and Julie.
Lisa.
Yeah.
But spelled like L-E-A-H-S-A.
But it's spelled Leah, which is what confused me to start with. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so no sauna, free breakfast, 50-mile day tomorrow into Olali Lake. And if we have to finish there, then so be it. I'll be a little bit bummed because I've only got 60 miles left to finish the whole trail, but I also need to make the safest decision, the wisest decision, if that means finishing a little early and not being in a snow. It's forecast for snow and rain.
For like 4 days in a row.
Yeah, and so it's not just a quick little squall that we can sit out. It's like half a week of snow dumping, which means we'd be walking through that even afterwards.
But we'll see.
We'll see. Things can change. Weather can hold out.
Look, the Timberline Post has a weather forecast.
Is it bad?
Partly cloudy early in the week, clearing to mostly sunny, sunner.
Sunnier?
No, it just says sunner.
Okay.
There's a typo. Midweek and
Which is
through the
now.
weekend, temps in the 50s.
Was that last week?
This is week. I think that the
Maybe because
bad weather is a little
it's further south. Anyway, we'll see.
I can't believe I found a typo. I think that they have somebody proofread